How are you, good people? Right, today we are going to look at what we call indices. This is one of the interesting topic in mathematics. So in indices, we have what we call laws of indices. For us to be able to solve indices, we have to be able to follow the laws. So here we have one of the law which says x to the power a multiplied by x to the power b. What do we mean if we're saying x to the power a times x to the power b? So here x is representing the basis, and whilst a and b are representing the powers, or what you call the indices or an index. So when our bases are the same, when we are multiplying the bases with the same basis, for our law we have to add the powers. So it will be x to the power a plus b. For example, when we have 2 to the power 5 times 2 to the power 3, as you can see, the bases are the same. So our answer here, it will be simply 2 to the power 5 plus 3, which gives us what? 8. So that's how we can simplify these indices using this first law. Then we have another law which says if the law is x to the power a divided by x to the power b. So this is more like the opposite of what we have been doing on the first law. So here we have to subtract our powers, so it will be x to the power a minus b. Let's look at an example. If it is 2 to the power 7 times divided by 2 to the power 3. So here we have to say 2 to the power 7 minus 3, which gives us 2 to the power 4. Since if the power is small, it will be easier to simplify. But that's how we'll be using these laws. If we are multiplying, we add the powers. If we are dividing, we simply subtract the powers. Then we have law 3, which when we have a number raised to the power and another power outside the bracket like this. So this one is one of the easiest. So what we simply do is to multiply the powers. So in this case, this law will be simplified by saying a times b, which gives us ab. Looking at an example here, if we have 3 to the power 7 raised to another power 5. So actually our answer here will be 3 to the power 7 by 5, which gives us 35. Right? On another law, number 4, we have a term, for example, 2 to the power a half. But this law is driven from this law, x to the power a over b, where this number on top stands for the power and this number stands for the root. So here, if we have 16 to the power 3 over 2, so we mean to say our question here will be saying 16, the root of 2, then our answer to the power 3. So we mean to say what will be the square root of 16 is 4, then raised to the power 3, 4 to the power 3 will give us 64. So this is just the tip of some of our laws of indices. I'll get to some of the indices in our next lesson.